Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. And today I'm here with this Smart Source preview for September the 30th of 2018. I'm so sorry it's up this late. I usually like to have it up earlier than this. But yeah, life just happens sometimes. I didn't get around to posting it. But yeah, and also, if you saw my Retail Me Not preview, I said there was not very many coupons. Well, that actually is totally not true. Clip to Save went and updated their preview, so there's a lot more coupons in the Retail Me Not tomorrow. So yeah, let's just dive right in. It's a pretty big Smart Source. $1 off of one Bertolli sauce. 50 cents off of one bottle of Fiji water. $1 off of a multi-pack or case pack. 50 cents off of Palmolive Ultra, 25 cents off. That would come in handy at the mega event. $1.50 off of Airwick Essential Mist. $3 off of an Airwick Freshmatic Starter Kit. $4 off of any two Airwick Freshmatic refills. $4 off of any two Airwick Scented Oil Triple refills. $1 off of Colgate Total, Colgate Optic White, Colgate Enamel Health, or Colgate Sensitive. $1 off of Colgate mouthwash or mouth rinse. 75 cents on a Sunbelt Bakery product. $1 on any one box of Jolly Time Simply Popped Microwave Popcorn. 50 cents off of any one box of Jolly Time. $1.50 on two Summer's Eve. $1 on one Simply Summer's Eve. 75 cents off of three Scotties. $1.50 on a Glade plug-in. $1 off of Glade plugins or the automatic spray refills. $1 off of Glade Fine Fragrance Mist. 50 cents off of a Glade candle. $1 on Scrubbing Bubbles Fresh Gel product. 50 cents on a Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaning product. 50 cents on a Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner product. $2 off of Pepcid Imodium or Lactaid dietary supplements. 25 cents on any pack of Annie's mac and cheese. 50 cents on two Annie's homegrown products, fruit snacks, pretty much everything Annie's makes, pretty much. 40 cents on K-Rose syrup. 40 cents on this Fleischmann's yeast, and that will come in handy, I'm sure, at Kroger. Last year we got them for 9 cents, so let's hope for that again. $1 on Kikkoman teriyaki sauce. 55 cents on any Kikkoman product, 10 ounce or larger. $1 on Super Pretzel. That would be good at the Dollar Tree. That would actually make those free. $1 on Super Pretzel soft sticks. 50 cents on any of this candy stuff. 50 cents on two Nature Valley. $1 on any three Pillsbury refrigerated baked goods product. We have 75 cents off any two Cheerios and stuff like that. And then $1.50 on Lysol laundry sanitizer. 50 cents on any two Lysol disinfecting wipes. We have 50 cents on any one Lysol disinfectant spray. And then we have 50 cents on a Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, which that ironically has no size restriction, so that could come in handy at the Dollar Tree. 50 cents on a Lysol Daily Cleanser Trigger or Lysol Daily Cleanser Wipes. $1 on Tylenol PM or Simply Sleep product. $1 on an adult Tylenol. $5 on children's Allegra. $5 on Allegra D. $7 on Allegra Allergy. $5 on Allegra Allergy 24 count or larger. $7 off of Nasacort 240 spray. $5 on Nasacort 120 spray. $1 on Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. $1 on Finish Quantum. $1 on Finish Max and 1. $1.50 on Nivea body lotion, in-shower body lotion, or cream product, or any two Nivea lip care products. And then $3 off of any two Nivea women's body wash, silk mousse, and foaming oil product, or Nivea men's body wash products. $2 off of one Nivea men face or aftershave product, or off of any two Nivea men shave products. $1 on any Nivea women's body wash, only for the women, which is weird, but there we go. $2 off of Aquaphor baby product or the Aquaphor body product. $2 off of Eucerin or Eucerin baby. $2 off of Poise. $2 off of Poise again. $2 off of Depends and $2 off of Depends Real Fit. $3 off of anyone Tenna. $3 off of anyone Rachel Ray Nutrish. $3 off of any one Rachael Ray Nutrish wet dog food variety pack or 6 individual tubs. $1 off of any Rachael Ray Nutrish dog treats. $1.50 on Rachael Ray Nutrish dry cat food, and $2 off of the Rachael Ray dog food. $1 off of Effordent 78 count and up. $5 on any 3 Ensure multi-packs. $3 off of any 1 Ensure Max Protein 4-pack. $1.50 on Gold Bond products. Lots of Gold Bond coupons. This is a good one. $2 off of any 1 Bengay. Here's a really good Walmart deal. They're $3.84. Pick up 2 of them. You can use 1 of these $2 off coupons and use a $1 off printable from healthyessentials.com. And there's a $5 back on Ibotta. So it's like free. Totally free for Bengay, which is like a really good deal. So go for that one. $5 on 3 Glycerna. $5 on Icy Hot. $1 on Aspercream. I knew. I was just cleaning out my binder today, and I saw that many of these coupons expired, so I knew they were going to replace them, like they always do that. $3 on 2 packages of Refresh. $5 on 1 Refresh Repair Mega 3 or Gel Drops product. $5 on Renew 12 ounce or larger. That's pretty high value. $2 off of Renew Multi Plus. $1 off of Shift Digestive Advantage. $1 off of any Move Free product. $1 off of an Airborne product. $1 off of a Mega Red product. $5 on any 1 BioTrue. $2 on BioTrue 10 ounce. $2 off of Soothe. $5 on any 2 Soothe. $3 off of Presser Vision eye drops and more of those. And $3 off of any 1 Clairol, Age Defy, hair color, or Vidal Sassoon. $2 off of Clairol hair color. $5 off of 2 Clairol hair colors. Oh, we didn't get the, did we? I was hoping we didn't. I was hoping we'd get the coupon for the Color Crave again, because we got it in. That's a really good, it's a moneymaker at Kroger right now, but I guess the coupon doesn't work on that. I was hoping it would. $5 off of this stuff. $4 off of Claritin. $10 off of non-drowsy Claritin 60 count or larger, or Claritin tablet 70 count or larger. $4 off of non-drowsy Claritin D. And then that is all for the Smart Source.